Welcome to our vlog!
Yes!
So malalaman nyo daw kapag bakla sa babaeng alimango kasi yung babae maaligi.
Ano yung malalaki yung pod?
We're back! Please welcome the Guerrero Brothers!
When I said I want it that way with me,
Sa ulado!
our two worlds apart can't reach to your heart.
Oh, may ganun.
You said I want it that way. Should I get
Why not?
You've had too much to drink. All I could be the man who grows old with you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish.
Make a wish. Ang successful ng travel natin today, dami natin napuntahan. Gabi na. Grabe.